Let's take a look at this example. Again, I'm going to subtract the whole numbers first. I have 7 minus 6 is equal 1. That's why my problem looks like this. 149 minus 1/3. Okay, I have different denominators. Anytime I have different denominators, I have to change the mixed number to improper fraction by multiplying denominator by the whole number, and the result of this multiplication you have to add to the numerator. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4 gives me 13 over 9 minus 1 over 3. Common denominator for these two fractions, okay, is 9. Why? Because 9 is divisible by 9 and 9 is divisible also by 3. Very simple. You have to remember the multiplication table. So I have 13 over 9 and I have 1 over 3. We said the common denominator is 9. So let's find the numerators for the new fractions. By what number I have to multiply 9 to get 9? I have to multiply by 1. And whatever I added in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. Times 1. 13 times 1 gives me 13. By what number I have to multiply 3 to get 9? I have to multiply by 3. Okay, whatever I added in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. Times 3. Okay, so let me write these fractions into my equations. I have 13 over 9 minus 3 over 9. I have common denominators. I can subtract the numerators. That's why I have 13 minus 3 gives me 10 over 9. Now, I cannot reduce this fraction because there is no common factor for 10 and 9. That's why I can perform the long division. I have 10 over 9. 9 goes into 10 once. 1 times 9 gives me 9. 10 minus 9 gives me 1. So answer is 1 and 1 over 9. The top number goes always to the front. The remainder goes to the numerator and the divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my solution for the problem is 1 and 1 over 9.